Our family plans a trip every year to an unknown location. This time, we decided to visit Paderu as we haven't been to this place in the past. We wanted to travel far into the hills. With few suggestions on places around Paderu, we planned our trip and began our journey. We normally choose highways to travel, but this time we wanted to utilize rural scenic roads. Was that a right choice? Let's wait and see. Narrow roads, frequent turns, with the signs of upcoming countryside beauty. Beauty and wildness are the feelings we have for the countryside roads, which became apparent. By the time we reached Mahbubabad, it was afternoon. We had lunch and set ourselves in motion to tackle with rest of the journey. You are not lost as long as you are exploring, and the rain made it more exciting to watch passing by gorgeousness. Everything went fine as per our plan. The route we decided to travel passes through Maredumilli. We didn't have any plans to stay at Maredumilli but wanted to see the hills. Though the sun didn't go down, the woods were lovely, dark and deep. The first sight of distant hills and slopes gave relief to our anxious minds. By the time we started to climb the hills, it was dark, and it seemed like rain was ahead of us. Fallen trees, pitch-dark surroundings, and lonely roads were the segments we anticipated in this trip, and they were right in front of our eyes. Very true and trustworthy is God's word. He said, "As long as the earth endures, seed time and harvest, cold and heat, summer and winter, day and night will never cease. Genesis 8:22. Our journey continued through hills and slopes, with foggy windshield and noisy crickets. We were back on the highway, which would lead us to the long but yet a short stop, Vizag, before we begin our journey towards Paderu. I hope you like this video. I'm going to see you soon from the hills. Until then, take care.